Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through the ultimate guide to applying for a handicap permit online with HandicapMD.com. Whether you're new to the process or just need a refresher, this guide will make it a breeze. Trust me, it's easier than you think. With just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to securing your permit. First things first, let's figure out which category your disability falls into. This is crucial because it determines the type of permit you can apply for. There are two main ways to get a doctor's assessment for your condition, in person or online. Each method has its own set of advantages. If you go the in-person route, you'll need to schedule a doctor's visit. This might take a bit of time, so plan accordingly. During this visit, the doctor will diagnose your condition if they haven't already. They will then provide the necessary documentation. After that, you'll need their signature on your application. This is a key step in the process. This might be done at a later date and mailed to you, or you might get it during your visit. Make sure to ask your doctor about their process. But, if you prefer the convenience of online services, there are plenty of options through telemedicine, phone calls, or even emails. This can save you a lot of time and hassle. These online consultations can diagnose your condition and sign your DMV application without you ever leaving your home. Super convenient, right? It's like having a doctor's office right in your living room. Now, let's talk about who can sign your application. This is important to ensure your application is valid. Permits expire every 4 years for permanent placards and up to every 6 months for temporary ones. Keeping track of these dates is crucial to avoid any lapses. To renew, you'll need a new application and signature from an approved doctor. This ensures that your condition is still valid for the permit. Approved medical professionals include licensed physicians, chiropractors, podiatrists, physician's assistants, nurse practitioners, and even optometrists. So, you have a wide range of professionals to choose from. So, you've got lots of options. This flexibility makes it easier to get the necessary documentation. Why should you consider applying online? The benefits are numerous. Well, online services are a game changer for convenience and ease. You can handle everything from the comfort of your home. Scheduling doctor's visits can be challenging, but with online options you can upload documents, discuss your needs, view medical records, and more, all from the comfort of your home. No more waiting rooms or long commutes. Plus, getting a doctor's signature for your handicap application has never been easier. It's all streamlined for your convenience. Once your application is complete with both your signature and your doctor's, you'll need to submit it to the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. This is the final step in the process. You can mail it or deliver it in person. Choose the method that works best for you. Along with your application, you'll also need to provide a copy of your state ID. And that's it. You're all set. Applying for a handicap permit online with HandicapMD.com is simple, convenient, and stress-free. The entire process is designed to be user-friendly. So, take advantage of these online services and make your life a little easier. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time. Stay tuned for more informative content.